In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Dropbox with Microsoft Teams so you can manage your files more efficiently. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or just want a more organized way to access your documents, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. To begin, open up Microsoft Teams on your device and navigate over to the Files section. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll see an option to upload files. Click on that Upload option. This is the first step in linking your Dropbox account, enabling you to access and transfer your files directly between Teams and Dropbox. You'll notice several choices popping up, but today our focus is on Dropbox, so go ahead and select Dropbox from the list. Don't worry if you haven't already logged in. If you're not currently signed in to your Dropbox account, you'll be prompted to do so. This is a crucial step, so make sure you have your login information at hand. Once you enter your credentials, you'll need to grant Microsoft Teams permission to access your Dropbox account. This is a standard procedure for linking two services together, ensuring that your files are securely shared between both platforms. Trust and privacy are essential, so take a moment to read through the access permissions before you hit Allow. Now that you've allowed access, you'll notice something pretty convenient. Dropbox will now appear directly under the Files section in your Teams interface. From here onward, you can use Dropbox within Teams as you would with any other file source. This integration allows you to open, share, and organize your Dropbox files without ever needing to leave the Teams environment, making your work that much more efficient. Here's a pro tip. After you've linked your Dropbox account, try setting up a few folders inside Teams to keep your files even more organized. This way, you'll have quick access to specific documents when collaborating with your team. Remember that any changes you make to your files in Teams will be reflected in your Dropbox account, thanks to this seamless integration. This means you can start a document at your desk and pick right up where you left off on your mobile device during your commute. And that's it. You've just linked your Dropbox to Microsoft Teams, opening up a whole new level of file management and collaboration. With this simple yet powerful feature set up, you'll likely find your workflow becoming smoother and more efficient, helping you focus on what truly matters, your work and your team. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.